Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel. Hold on, let me just think about what I'm going to ask you some questions. Alright, well, eat that quick. I like your cut.
I like your cut, G.
Alright, you ready? Are you done eating? Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys as always for tuning in. This is a little bit of a different video that we're doing. Can you hear my stomach growling? Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel. Sorry.
You don't even have to say welcome back, just...
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, you're rolling?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel. Thank you as always for tuning in. Today is a little bit of a different video. I got my younger brother Justus with me today. He is, how old are you?
9.
So the idea that we had for today was a disposable camera film challenge. Both of us are going to be just kind of like walking throughout our neighborhood, taking pictures of the same stuff from different perspectives. So you're going to take the first shot, okay? This kind of reminds me of New York. Definitely has that like subway vibe with the mural. You got some graffiti and stuff. So I think this will be the first shot that we take.
Oh, you just snapped it. Oh, snap.
We got 2 more shots. This one on the floor. Oh, that is tough. This kid is the eye. Yo, we gotta work on the trash and filling it. We should do a Frankfurt cleanup like that. So we just came in from shooting on our disposable. It was pretty good, right? It was pretty good. I think my favorite shot that I took was there's an apartment building right on Frankfurt Avenue. And there's like a fire escape and windows. There were blinds in the windows, and then there were shoes hanging on the wire. So I was really able to capture that, just that whole scene, and it's kind of cool because it has like a very urban, gritty vibe, and yeah, I really like that shot.
Mine was the car through the fence. I just like I like the front, I like the plants, I like the fence. Like it was like a cool picture.
If we shoot again, what do you want to shoot? What part of the city or what subject do you want to shoot?
Center City. That would be cool.
Why would you want to shoot Center City?
I don't know. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe.
That was perfect. That was perfect.
You got your Mr. Beast.